5 factories in total. One in Ludhiana, one in Doraha, where we are sitting right now. This is our main factory. And we have 2 factories in Lucknow and 1 factory in Pradhan in Uttarakhand, where we deliver to our customers every day. Okay? We are making nuts, we are making bolts, we are also making sheet metal parts for mainly automotive industry like trucks, buses, light commercial vehicles, and also we are making fasteners for construction and construction equipment, and also for two-wheelers and other companies. If you have any questions regarding any subject like physics or chemistry or mathematics, I think will not be applicable inside, but you can ask anything if you want. If you will note it down during your visit inside, and then we can discuss it. We'll come back again, maybe in an hour or half an hour. And I would request you to please keep your water bottles or please let us know your water consumption pattern, because inside it will be humid. We will go inside into the field also once. Okay? Please keep your water handy. Center is looking after exports, the expansion. In a different category, he does for nuts and bolts. Mr. Divyanshu Dubey is there. He is looking after around 30 to 40 customers of ours of logistics and sales. But whenever Mr. Anul will be developing an item, he will be Mr. Divyanshu. He handles a few customers, and he has a team member or a team of 3 to 4 members who also look after other customers. And then Mr. Sukhil is there. He is looking after our tapping process. We will show you what is that process. Tapping is not nalka. It is another process which Mr. Sukhil will be explaining to you when he will be taking you inside. Okay? So, okay? Please come outside.
फाइनल प्रोडक्ट है नट बोल्ट। नट बोल्ट बनता कैसे है, उसका रॉ मटेरियल क्या है? रॉ मटेरियल पीवीसी को बनाने के लिए रॉ मटेरियल हमारी
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Operations to outgoing to finance, everything we can manage from there. आप लोगों ने SAP कहीं पे पढ़ा है? SAP.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down, I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these f***ing clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it, it's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now, I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down, I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it, it's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now, I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down, I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm f***ed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it, it's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now, I won't stop till I wear the crown.
हमने वो सर्कुलर क्वेश्चन मार्क राइट, वो चलिए देख रहे जो इसकी हाइट है, वो सेकंड कैमरा मैं उसकी हाइट की वजह से फैक्ट्री 5 और 5.5 वाइट कलर का टैग अलग से होगा, ये है एंड इट विल गो टू द कौन सा रॉ मटेरियल का ग्रेड होगा, ताकि मुझे पता लगे कौन सा रॉ मटेरियल है विदाउट यूजिंग टैग। जैसे मुझे पता है कि ये वाला
डिफरेंट कस्टमर के लिए कुछ स्पेसिफिक प्रोडक्ट जो है यहाँ पर कराए हुए हैं, तो दैट कि जैसे कुछ पार्ट है जिनका ऑर्डर लगाया हुआ है तो लाइन को उस टाइम पे हो सकता है ये पार्ट आपको ना मिले, बट अभी यहाँ पे हमने जैसे सैंपल लगाया हुआ है आप हमारे पार्ट देख सकते हो। ये सारी चीज़ें रॉ मटेरियल जैसे आप नट बनाने के समय गॉड से ज़्यादा उसी के लिए सीट होगा, हमारे लिए रॉ मटेरियल यहाँ पे सीट होगा और सीट से हम डिफरेंट कटिंग डिफरेंट सारे काम टाइप के हिसाब से सारा टाइप के हिसाब से हम कवर कर लेते हैं। ठीक है, अलग अलग देख सकते हो और उसमें कोटिंग भी आपको अलग अलग मिलेगा। ये देखिए एक सिल्वर मिल रहा है आपको, या फिर ब्लैक कोटिंग है, ठीक है, पाउडर कोटिंग, ऐसा कस्टमर की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है उसके हिसाब से ही हम अपना प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं। उनकी स्पेसिफिक रिक्वायरमेंट को हमको फुलफिल करना है।
It was a great opportunity for you all to invite us to, for our students to learn about this company and to know about the functioning, how it all started from just being the raw material to how it got into nuts, the bolts and the shipping, trademarks, etc. It had a wider scope in our careers and it was a very unique experience. I would definitely like to visit it again until the company is all flourished again. Thank you for the lunch.
I would like to thank all the students for the teachers for being here and bearing this humidity and whatever is the hot temperature here. Thank you. And the two kids who got painted are all fine. Over there. Please take care. And now we will invite everyone for their experiences. Each group one. Okay, please.
I would like to thank the company CEO of Fasteners and Rajesh sir who guided us and explained every procedure for making of the nuts and bolts and all about engineering and all. It also encourage us about how we can do a business, and like we discuss in our school about an entrepreneurship skills, and it encourages us. Maybe someone maybe or may not be, we may be able to make such and become a CEO for such a brand. I don't know how much years old this company, but how they have done the hard work, and these are the results of the hard work, and they explained us very well, and maybe someone can achieve these things in future. Thank you.
So I'm Ludhiana, most of you know. So we were under the guidelines of Divan Dubey sir, and they it was very clear going through all the processes were explained very perfectly, and not only the processes, on what principles they work and why that is done. That was also told to us, and it was a wonderful experience because we were getting actually, we were like in school we were studying books and sometimes also view videos, like it was a real time experience what actually happens, what work is done actually here. So it was wonderful and I was very happy to see actually what happened. Thank you.
The Fasteners. Now, we all know how the basic product was formed. A sheet is taken, cut and pressed. But to learn the intricacies of the process and the details and the thought they put into each and every step on the way, what such things machines, all the linguistic details, was all such a fun experience to learn about them. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to thank all the staff members and sir for providing us in such a good way. Today we really got the practical knowledge of how the concepts of physics and chemistry are applied in real life. We are just studying through the books and
So that we can again use it to the
Visiting this factory, and also it's a very great experience, like beyond our classrooms in that we learn the concepts of PCM. It was such a great experience because it's very easy to go to shop and buy the nuts and bolts, but today we really learn about how the workers are really hard, and in such a very first days that two of the students they got sick, but they are daily working here in the hot summer and it's very hard for them to work, and it's something very devotive work, and it's very easy to do the work, not very hard. We went to shop and we just buy the things, but it's working here and seeing the background process is very typical, and just very thankful to the workers and doing extremely hard for us and the other companies which are relying on this company. And I just want to thank you our sir which helped us when joining the factory, and he just very well explained us, and it was such a nice experience. Thank you.
I would like to thank everyone involved, and we all are aware of the opportunities that we got from visiting this site. But I also got some life experiences that I learned, like the importance of all the workers, the importance of all the inspectors, and everything matters. The every little things we get in life, they matter. Like the ladies which were there for inspection, they all did so much for the firm. And I also got to know that from Mr. CEO, that when you have an aim, you can achieve it. Thank you.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सभी का एक्साइटमेंट और मोटिवेशन से बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को, और आप लोग की जो देखने और सीखने की बहुत चीज़ें जो एक अंदर से इच्छा थी वो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा कि हाँ आप लोग मोटिवेट होके हर चीज़ें को एक डीपली प्रोसेस से देखा, और बहुत चीज़ हम लोगों ने कोशिश किया कि आपको सिखा के भेजे। ये सारी चीज़ें जो है आपको इंजीनियरिंग में आप एडमिशन के बाद ही आपको ये प्रोसीजर देखने को मिलता है। यहाँ पे मैं संपा सर का थैंक्स और सीईओ सर का थैंक्स बोलता हूँ कि आप लोगों को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी अभी दे दिया। रियली बताऊँ आप लोगों को, आपको लिखा होगा हर कंपनी के होर्डिंग पे आपको फ्रंट गेट पे लिखा होता है 18 ईयर्स के स्टूडेंट्स जो है प्रोहिबिटेड होते हैं, अंदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट होते हैं। सर ने इतना मोटिवेट करके आप लोगों को ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया, तो हम लोग कोशिश, आप लोगों का यही कोशिश होना चाहिए कि हाँ यहाँ से जो सीखे हैं उसको आप अपने डेली लाइफ में यूटिलाइज कीजिएगा, और थोड़ा सा इसके बाद जाके आप लोग डीपली यूटिलाइज कीजिएगा कि हाँ ये क्या है, क्या प्रोसेस है। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच बाल भारती ग्रुप, थैंक यू सो मच।
ये चीज कहाँ यूज होती है इन एवरीथिंग। ही वाज नॉट इन अ हरी कि चलो चलो खत्म करो, उन्हें कोई ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं थी। ही वाज लाइक कि मेरे को हर चीज बतानी है, कौन सी चीज कहाँ यूज होती है, कहाँ अगर वो चीज ना हो तो क्या होगा, अगर वो चीज नहीं होगी तो क्या एक्सीडेंट हो सकता है। ही वाज टेलिंग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन एवरी डिटेल, एंड आई वांट टू थैंक हिम। थैंक यू सो मच सर। आल्सो सिमरन मैम, शी वाज वेरी सपोर्टिव, शी वाज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ एवरी गर्ल देयर। शी वाज सेइंग कि तुम ठीक हो, यू नीड एनीथिंग, एवरीथिंग। शी वाज टेकिंग care of everything. They were very kind. None of the employee was rude or anything. They were very polite, and I want to thank them. Thank you so much for all the knowledge you gave us. Thank you so much. It was a very great experience to be had.
A lot of congratulations. I would like to congratulate Mr. Pata and Mr. Prithvi for setting this up. Mr. Mukesh, who gave the permission to have this event in this hall, because I was of the view to have it in the meeting room in DC. But this is a much better thing, because whenever you are on the shop floor, you can do anything, and you get to know a lot of things. This is actually the philosophy in our company. None of the owners or none of the people in the management have their own AC. From zero to the stage where we are right now, we are there because we have involvement in everything. We can do improvement, we can do everything, and all the young people who were there with you the only thing to tell you here is not for the factory, it is all that you have to be committed and you have to work with full heart in whatever you do. It is not about 15 years, 20 years or anything, but it is your commitment towards the company, and I would request each and everyone to please work yourself with your hands, then only you can make anyone else work. Okay? And make cupcakes, please. Thank you. Sorry.
Every day, I want your touch, and every way, I can't give it up. Anything, just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough. Oh, we be my ride or die. Oh, we can do this every night. Oh, will you be my ride or die?